Hi, my name is Albert No, and I'm an attorney here at Brooks Law Firm. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the types of workers' compensation benefits that you could be eligible for in Massachusetts. The first type are known as lost wages or indemnity payments. These are equal to 60% of your average weekly wage. If you're deemed totally disabled from work, you'd be eligible for 60% of what you earn every week for as long as you're totally disabled. You also might be eligible for partial disability, which is based off of a very specific equation that a workers' compensation attorney could help calculate for you. The next type of benefits are medical payments. In Massachusetts, workers' compensation insurance companies will pay for all reasonable and necessary medical treatment related to your work injury. But it's important to have a good workers' compensation attorney coordinate communication between the doctor and the workers' compensation insurance company so that all of your treatment gets approved, paid for, and covered by workers' compensation. The third type of workers' compensation benefits are loss of function, scarring, and disfigurement settlements. See, in Massachusetts, workers' compensation will pay for any scarring, loss of function, or disfigurement related to your work injury at very specific board rates based off of a state average weekly wage. This is a very specific calculation that your attorney will be able to help figure out with you and argue against the insurance companies to maximize the benefit that you have. It's important to have a workers' compensation attorney at this stage in order to make sure that you are eligible for these types of settlements and maximize the amount of settlement that you would be entitled to. Another type is vocational training. If for some reason you were injured on the job and you were forced to find work in a different field and you needed to learn a new skill, workers' compensation can also pay for vocational training in order to train that new skill. The next category is mileage reimbursement. Workers' compensation is required to pay for all of your travel and gas-related expenses pertaining to going back and forth from treatment. There's a very specific form that needs to be filled out, and a workers' compensation attorney could help you fill out that form to maximize what you're entitled to in terms of mileage reimbursement. Finally, the last category is death benefits. The dependents or spouse of a person who has died as a result of a work injury could also be eligible for financial support. It's important to have a workers' compensation attorney coordinate these types of benefits for those surviving family members. At Brooks Law Firm, our experienced and qualified workers' compensation attorneys provide the utmost quality and care in representing you through this complicated legal procedure. Please call 617-245-8090 to find out how we can be the right workers' compensation attorneys for you. Thank you.